One of the biggest problems I had to conquer in design of this patio was dealing with the direct western sun. To do that, I've created these wood and metal shutters that keeps the sun off the clients while they're sitting on the patio dining. To make it look pretty and to be the introduction to the inside concept, being that Prime is a farm-to-table concept, I've created these flower boxes to where in the spring Chris will plant all his fresh herbs in here, so the freshness starts outside. As you're introduced to the outside, it follows directly inside. Okay, it's full midday sun right now, western sun directly on it. The shutters that I've designed are doing exactly what I've designed them to do. They're blocking the sun. The slats are open enough so you still have a view out. I've left the ends open so it's still a patio dining experience. This wall also creates a barrier for the headlight beams when the cars park from shining directly into the glass and disturbing the diners while they eat their dinner.
Join Build It with Bruce on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for behind-the-scenes clips, contests, and a whole lot more.